Rivers have given birth to civilizations, flowing through lands, carrying minerals to enrich the soil and sustaining life wherever they reach. Just like your blood vessels keep you charged by delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell of your body. The proper circulation of blood works towards keeping your heart healthy. So, isn't your cardiovascular system a network of rivers that sustains your body? There's a key compound that is essential in maintaining a healthy flow of blood, nitric oxide. It is naturally produced in blood vessels and is responsible for regulating the blood flow by widening the vessels. Ensuring that adequate nitric oxide is produced in your body is key to your overall cardiovascular health. A healthy diet and regular exercise help in the production of nitric oxide during the day. However, at night, the production of nitric oxide declines. We've developed Herbalife Niteworks in collaboration with Nobel laureate Louis Ignarro. It contains L-arginine to help your body create the life-supporting nitric oxide. Herbalife Niteworks contains a blend of L-arginine, vitamin C, vitamin E, and folic acid. L-arginine works with your body's own mechanism to produce nitric oxide. Research indicates that L-arginine keeps blood vessels toned and flexible for healthy cardiovascular function. To boost your nitric oxide production, mix 1 scoop or 10 grams of Herbalife Niteworks in 240 milliliter of water or juice or F1 shake. While we recommend taking it in the night, you can also take it any time of the day or night as per your convenience. Since the natural production of nitric oxide begins to decline around the age of 30, a scoop of Herbalife Niteworks every night can support young adults in keeping their heart healthy. Herbalife Niteworks works for your body.